Welcome to the Granny Square series, episode 55, and this is square number 50. So we've only got, including this one, 3 more to go, and then we'll have 52 squares in total. And this is a really nice little square to add to our blankets. It's got these cute little lacy corners. It's similar to another square we made. Yeah. For the demo, I'm going to be using this Stonewash yarn in Moonstone with a 4mm hook. So let's get started. To begin, I'm making a double magic circle and chain 1. So for round 1, we are going to make 12 US doubles, UK trebles. So you can make your starting stitch however you like to do that. I'm going to make a US single, UK double, and then chain 1. So now we're going to make 11 more stitches, US doubles, UK trebles, yeah, into our magic circle. So we'll have 12 stitches all together. If you're making along, you can press pause and I'll see you at the end of the round. I'm just coming up to the end of the round. I've made 11 stitches in total, including that starting stitch. Count your stitches just to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 11. So I'm going to start my last stitch, yarn over, go in, pull through 2 loops. And I'm just going to hold that there while I tighten up my double magic circle. So I'm going to pull on the tail, see which loop tightens first and pull on that. So we're going to close that circle up. And now we're going to pull on the tail end to close the second loop. And then I'm going to pull that, I'm going to take it behind the hook, but in front of my working yarn. And then I'm going to yarn over and finish that last stitch, stitch number 12, yeah? So to close my circle, I'm going to slip stitch into that first stitch, and then that slip stitch can count as the top of our starting stitch. So that's how your work should look at the end of round 1. Round 2, we are going to make 12 2-stitch clusters. So in each stitch, we're going to make 1 cluster using US doubles, UK trebles, 2 together. Yeah, so to start, I'm going to chain 1 and make a US single, UK double, and chain 1. That's going to count as my starting stitch. Then I'm going to make a regular US double, UK treble, and chain 1. And that's going to count as my first cluster. In the next stitch, we're going to make 2 US doubles or UK trebles together. And then chain 1. And we're going to go all the way around, making little clusters in each stitch. And then chain 1. So if you're making along, you can press pause and I'll see you at the end of the round. After you've made 12 clusters, including that starting cluster, we're going to slip stitch through the front of those 2 stitches into the chain 1 space, pull your yarn through, all the way through, and then slip stitch into the chain 1 space, chain 1. And that's how your work should look at the end of round 2, round 3. So now we're going to turn our little circles into squares. We should be in a chain 1 space with a chain 1. So we're going to make a US single, UK double to start, and then chain 2. Yeah. We're now going to work into a stitch, not the chain space, to make the corner. Yeah. So we're going to skip the first stitch, and then into the second stitch we're going to make a US double, UK treble, chain 1. We're going to make another US double, UK treble into that same stitch, chain 2. We're going to make another US double, UK treble into that stitch, same stitch, chain 1, and then the last stitch we're going to make another US double, UK treble into that cluster, and that's our corner. Yeah. Then I'm going to chain 2, and we're going back into the edge now. So we're going to into the chain 1 spaces for the edge. I'm going to skip the first chain 1 space, and then into the second one, make a US single, UK double, chain 2, and we're back where we started. Yeah, so we're going to make the next corner. We'll be working into the stitch, so we skip the first one, into the second stitch, we make a US double, chain 1 US double, or if you're using UK terms, that's a UK treble, chain 1 UK treble. Then we're going to chain 2 for the corner and repeat those 2 stitches. So US double, chain 1, US double, or in UK terms that's a UK treble, chain 1 UK treble, chain 2, and we're back on the edge, so we're working into the chain space. Skip the first chain space, into the second one, make a US single, UK double, chain 2. Into the third corner we work into the cluster, so skip the first cluster, second cluster, make a US double, oops, chain 1, and then a US double. UK, that's a treble, chain 1 treble. Chain 2 for the corner, and we repeat those 2 stitches into that same space. Yeah, so each corner has 4 stitches. Chain 2 into the chain space, skip the first one, into the second one, US single, UK double, just grab some slack, chain 2, and we're at our last corner. So we're going to work into the stitch again, skip the first one, into the second cluster, make a US double, chain 1, US double. If you're using UK terms, that's a UK treble, skip 1. No, UK treble, chain 1, UK treble. Yeah, chain 2, and then we repeat. So those 2 stitches again. 1, chain 1, and then another stitch, chain 2, and we're back at the beginning. So we're going to just slip stitch into that first stitch we made, We're then going to slip stitch into that chain 2 space and chain 1. And that's how your work should look at the end of round 3. So round 4, we've already chained 1, we're in that chain 2 space. We're going to make a starting US double, UK treble, so I'm going to make a US single, UK double, and then chain 1. We're then going to hop across into the chain 1 space, and we're going to make 2 US doubles, UK trebles. All the stitches for this round are UK trebles, US doubles, yeah? So we make 2 stitches in that chain 1 space. Then into the corner, we make 2 stitches. Chain 2. And 2 more stitches into the corner. Hop across to the chain 1 space, make 2 stitches. Into the chain 2 space, make 2 stitches. Let me just grab some slack. So I've made 1, make my second one in there. Into the next chain 2 space, make 2 stitches. Into the chain 1 space, make 2 stitches. And we're at our next corner. So we're going to make 2 stitches, chain 2, 2 stitches. So if you're making along, you can press, you can press pause, and I shall meet you at the end of the round. Yeah, so just carry on making 2 stitches in each chain space, and at the corners it's 2 stitches, chain 2, 2 stitches. Yeah. I'm just coming up to the end of the round. I've just made 2 stitches in that chain 2 space, and now I'm back to the first chain 1 space, chain 2 space. So you remember we only made that starting stitch, so we're going to go in and make the second stitch, and then just slip stitch across into the first stitch to join. I'm just going to chain 2 so that I can take my hook out, and there's our squares. Now if you find that it's I'm going to block this and leave it as it is, but if you find that those corners pull in too much, you could try using a half stitch, the half US double or half UK treble instead of a single, yeah? But I think that'll be fine. Once it's got the round on for joining, it's going to be absolutely fine. But yeah, isn't that cute? Those little lacy corners. I love it. So I'll see you in the next episode.